everybody, welcome to you all in my lecture. Today we are going to do one of the most interesting chapter from Breakaway book, that is Surtsey, a new island. I think all of you are very curious to know about it. Okay then, are you ready to begin? Let's begin. Surtsey is the volcanic island which is one of the world's newest islands. Island is the land which is totally surrounded by water. Have you ever heard about volcano? You may have heard about it. Yes, it is an opening in the Earth's crust that allows lava, volcanic ash and gases escape. Volcanic eruptions are partly driven by pressure from dissolved gas. Yes, in the same way, there was an eruption in the ocean of country Iceland. In November 1963, Surtsey was formed in a volcanic eruption. Surtsey is named after the northern god of fire Surtsa. It is 32 km far from south of Iceland. Iceland experiences volcanic eruptions every 5 years on average and is one of the Earth's most active volcanic eruptions about 5,000 years ago. Only Surtsey, the most southern island, is younger. It is the new island formed by volcanic eruption that took place from 1963 to 1967. So, the eruption continued for 4 years. Soon, this island became one of the most researched islands. It has become a kind of natural biology laboratory, that means a place for scientific research or experiments, where they have observed life colonizing a completely new piece of land. That means this island is giving scientists a unique and fascinating insight into how a new island develops, how flora and fauna evolve, how life colonizes new land. So, even though the eruption continued until June 1967, scientists were able to visit parts of island during that time. Can you guess what did they find? They soon found plant seed that had floated 32 kilometers across the water from Iceland. So, in 1965, they found small plants in that volcanic soil. The plants named sea sandworts were discovered. How it became possible? This became possible as some seeds floated to Surtsey. Others were carried by the wind or brought by birds. By 1970, the first birds' nests were discovered. Perhaps expectedly, birds were some of the first inhabitants of Surtsey, and a number of species have been spotted. 11 species of birds started colonizing the island. Birds like seagulls and petrels are seen over there in 2003. The nest of the bird puffin were discovered in 2004. Moreover, scientists encountered some of the insects as well in this island. Flies were found at first, then other insects like ants, butterflies, beetles also arrived. The first earthworm was found on the island in 1993. Spiders were blown to the island while other some insects arrived by floating across the ocean's surface. In this way, life began in the island Surtsey. The government of Iceland controls access to that island so that the species are not accidentally introduced to this place. So, visiting Surtsey is highly controlled. It is prohibited to go there so that no new species would introduce there, because this fascinating laboratory has an uncertain future. It had been shrinking due to erosion caused by ocean waves. So, only scientists with special permission are granted to visit for scientific research. Hence, even today, researchers must get government approval before venturing to Surtsey, and once they are on the island, they must follow strict rules to avoid contaminating it with seeds and chemicals. The scientists and technical staffs were all trained on how to avoid bringing new plants or animals to Surtsey. This is all about the island Surtsey. I hope all of you have understood well. So after that you need to go through this passage. Then after you need to complete all the exercises. You need to practice all the exercises related to this chapter. And this assignment C and D number you need to do in your copy and post in Seesaw. Okay, thank you.